So I got this parcel from Hyderabad. This is Bose SoundSports free. So the problem is battery backup. So let's see what is the problem exactly. So I'm going to tear this down. Let's see the package. I got this directly from Hyderabad here to Bangalore. So this is the Bose SoundSports free. Case charge is there. 4 points are there. So this is the earbuds. So we have to tear this down and see what is the condition of the battery. I think the battery backup is less. The voltage will be 3.7 volts, but the current storage would be bad. So we must replace the battery. Then the storage of the current would be good. But I can see this. You can see here. I'm showing you in close up. This rubber is oxidized, so there might be chances of damage. But I will try my best to take this apart, tear this down and replace the battery without harming this rubber part. So alright, let me replace the one of the battery. The other one is similar, so you can follow the same steps for the other one. So I will change the battery of either of this one. So alright, so this is the right one. I'm going to replace the battery here. So we have to give some heat over here using a heat blower or hair dryer. So we have to give mild heat so that the top cover will come out. There will be flex cable below this, so be careful while giving heat, while taking off this cover here. So let me give some heat and I will remove this and come back. So I have given some heat. You can see now I am going to take this like this. It is pasted, so we have to be very careful. Like this we have to remove. So you can see this rubber part is not that damaged because of the proper heat. So now it's time to take out this flux cable. It is pasted here. You can see it is pasted, and we have to take out the motherboard by removing this excess glue which is right round here. You can see. So there is a lock here that we have to remove. Without removing that lock, if you try, you may end up breaking the motherboard. So that is a bit challenging. Don't miss that lock. So now this lock has been removed. Now to remove this flux cable, we have to take out this glue. So you can see the glue is coming slowly. So after removing the glue, you can just slowly take off this flux cable like this. You can see. So this is taken out. Now it's time to take out the motherboard here. So I have removed both locks here. So it's time to take out the motherboard slowly. So since this rubber is oxidized, you can see slightly it is tearing down. We cannot do anything because the rubber is oxidized. I am doing my best here. So this is the battery. Also I am going to take out this battery. I am going to replace it with lithium ion polymer battery. So that is of 3.7 volts and with 50 to 60 mAh. So the battery backup would be nice, very nice. So taking this, my battery is again challenged. This one terminal is touched using wire. The other one is directly touching to the motherboard. So while taking this off, you may end up tearing this PCB from the board. So be very careful while taking this out. This is a bit challenging here because the battery is pasted below. That is the reason I am telling you it is a bit challenging. So I am going to take this out and I will come back. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, if you have any earbuds like this, Bose, Sony, JBL, Jabra or anything, please do message on the above WhatsApp number, so that if you want me to replace, you can contact to this number. I will replace it for you. So let me continue the video. So let me take these two terminals and come here because showing in this video is very difficult because the battery is pasted below this motherboard and terminal is directly connected. So while peeling off this terminal will come out, that is the problem. So let me do that and come. So I have taken out the terminal without damaging the PCB. So this side it is wire, so no problem. So I'm just going to take this battery out. It is pasted so strongly. So this is the battery. So instead of this battery, I'm going to use lithium ion polymer battery, which I will show you here. So this is the battery, lithium ion polymer battery I'm going to use. This is very high quality battery. After so much of testing, I buy this for my customers. So alright, now it's time to install. This is bit easy because we can directly solder the wire. There is no terminals, so no issues. Terminals is there, but no, the wire is there. This is enough. So this is highly insulated. Now we have to paste the battery into the housing here in the motherboard like this. Then we have to connect the red wire here and the plus minus wire here. So I will do that and come here soon. So you can see now I have soldered positive to this terminal and negative to this terminal. So it's time to just paste it here. So I have pasted the battery. Now it's time to put the motherboard back to its housing here. So just slowly inserting here, that's it. So the motherboard is placed into the housing. Now I am going to close this flex cable like this. You can see it is closed now. So this should turn on now and it should start charging, I think. Yes, you can see it is started charging. Light is blinking, that means it is charging. So now after taking this out, I'm just pressing this button here. You can see the light is started glowing here, white light. It should connect, I think. It should work now. Let me play a song here. Yes, sound is coming. So this side it is perfect. So let me keep this for charging sometime. I will replace the other battery and I will come here immediately. And one more thing I wanted to show you. Now it's time to paste these locks. So I'm going to use T7000 here again. So you can see, just I'm going to apply a little bit here. That's it, nothing much. Very light, so that the motherboard should be in its place. So fine, let me close this later. I will replace the other earphone. I have already opened this, you can see. So this is opened. So just we have to replace the battery of this. So this is the left side which I have replaced the battery and pasted it. So now I am going to paste this side. This is the right side which I have replaced the battery in the video. So I am going to apply the glue here. I am going to apply at the corner here, right round. Then I will put it. Just I am going to close it. You can see now I have applied the glue here. I am just going to close it. So that's it. This has been glued back. So let it get dry. I'm going to show you the quick demo. Please put on your earphones or headphones so that I can play the audio quality, and I will show you the battery percentage in the smart device. So you can see the blink, it is blinking now. Both earbuds are charging now perfectly. So it is connected to my smart device. I will show you. So just if I take this out, it will connect, I think, because I have tested already. Yes, you can see it is connected. Now it is showing 100. It is almost close to 100. Anything above 90 it will show 100 here. So the battery is fully charged here. You can see it is 100. Now I am going to show you the quick demo here. So this is one side. So this is the other side. So this is perfectly working now, and it is charging now. You can see both should blink here. Yes, you can see it is blinking. So after a few minutes it will not blink. You can see left side it's already not blinking because it is full now. This is also almost full. It will stop blinking. So alright, this is the Bose SoundSports free wireless earphones. So I have replaced the battery of these earbuds. So this I got this from Jai Lakshmi from Hyderabad. So thanks for believing in me and sending this earbuds. So I have replaced the battery successfully. So in case if you have any problems in these earbuds, this type of earbuds or any Bluetooth speaker like JBL, Sony, Bose or anything, if you have earbuds battery replacement issue, charging case is not working, earbuds are not working, left side is not working, or right side is not working, both sides are not working or completely dead, any case we can fix the issue by replacing the battery. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I am from Bangalore. So if you are out of station, you can send it through speed post. It will be cheaper to send here, and return also it will be cheaper. So in case if you have any enquiries, please do message on this number. I will replace it because behalf of you. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz360. Please go through the list of the channel videos, and if you like, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.